Okay, in this particular lecture, we learn on how you can connect to your virtual machine using your Azure Active Directory user. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll create a virtual machine. So let's click on create. Once again, let's create a new resource group. Let's just call this as my VM1. And the only thing that we'll change is we'll go to the management section, and here what we need to do is we need to enable this particular property, that is Azure Active Login using your Azure AD. So let's click on this and let's review and create. And let's create a virtual machine. Let's download the private key and create resource. Though this is actually not needed for this particular chapter. Okay, so our resource is created. So let's click on go to resource. And here one thing that you would notice is if you go to your extensions plus application, you should see this particular extension should be enabled. So this is very important. So to know that your Azure Active Directory login is working, you need to make sure that this particular extension is. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to add one particular role to your IAM. So let's do that. Let's go to our IAM and let's add a role assignment. So what you need to do is let's go back to the documentation. So you need to add this particular role. So if you want sudo access, you need to add this, or if you want just regular access, you can just add this particular role. So let's just choose the administrator. Let's copy this and let's paste this here. Let's select this, click on next. And I need to add this particular role to this particular user. So let's do that. So this is the user for which I want to add that particular role. So let's click on select now, review and assign. Okay, so once this is done, the next thing that we need to do is we need to go back to our PowerShell and let's do an AZ login. And we need to log into that particular user for which we have enabled that role. So this is that particular user. So let's click on this and let's go back to our console. Okay, so once you've done that, let's go back to our documentation and let's get the final command to log in. So the final command that you need to use is this to log into your virtual machine, that is your AZ-SSH-VM. So let's copy this. And you need to provide the name as well as the resource group. So the name here is this. This is the name of my machine. Let's copy this. And this is the resource group. So let's copy this as well. And you need to give /g here. So let's give a /g and the resource. So now let's try to log into a machine. Yes. And you can see that we are able to log into our virtual machine, that is my VM1. So that's it for this particular lecture. Now the documentation on how you need to connect, I will give in the description below. So that is this particular documentation. You can also do it for your Windows virtual machine. So for Windows, it's this particular documentation. So I'll be pasting both the documentation in the description below. So that's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next.